Hi there, Jacoba here from Silver and Savvy. As promised, here is my video on editing my videos. So I use Wondershare Filmora and let's get right into it. So here is Wondershare Filmora where I'm just quitting my previous project and now I'm going to go to Filmora again. So here is Wondershare Filmora for Mac. I choose widescreen. I'm just skipping this addition. So choosing widescreen and then clicking on new project. Widescreen and new project. So to record, I click on the record button, the drop down, and I choose record from webcam. Here I'm saying something just to start, and you click the, see I have the Scarlett Solo interface and I have my FaceTime camera, and here's the red button that I will press to start. I will just, or I can press the space bar. Alright, so now I'm going to import a video for you just to show you some editing tips. Alright, and I'm dragging down, I clicked on media, import media, and I'm dragging down my video down to the media bar, to the video bar. And this is my pointer and cutting tool that I can move around on the video bar. And I decide if I want to cut out a mistake, I can decide where I want to start the cut and click on the cut, the scissors, and move my cursor further and then select and press the delete button, and there my little mistake is edited out. So now there's a bit of a gap, so I can do a transition here. So I choose transitions at the top and then dissolve, and I place it over the middle of my transition, and I can make it smaller. And there I've done that. See how my video makes a nice transition. Next, titles. Titles are quite important. Sometimes you want to add your website to your video at the bottom, just as a marketing tool or a promotion. And so here I'm going to add my title. I'm double clicking on the title, and then the text I can change to my website, and I can choose the size of my text, and I can choose the color of my text and the style, and there we go. Click on somewhere on the screen and then click again on the text and drag it down, and there you go. There you have some little text. You can also drag by making the cursor hovering so that the cursor changes to that little block tool, and then you can drag it to the whole video or just part of it. You can drag it to the size you want. So that's for titles. Effects. I'll talk about effects in a second. Stickers. So sometimes you want to place a cute little element or something fun and interesting on your video, and I'm going to add this cat. So you just grab the thumbnail and drag it down to your video lines, your video tabs, and then you can flip it. You can flip it upside down, and then you can auto enhance. You can blend the colors. You can auto enhance and make a drop shadow. I've done a drop shadow there, and again you can drag that bar so that it fills your entire video. Next, export is very important. So obviously you want to name your video and you want to place your MP4 exported video in the correct folder on your computer. So choose the correct folder and then simply export. Just briefly telling you about effects. If I change my project settings to portrait, then my video will be in portrait format. For example, if I want to make a short for YouTube, which is in portrait format. And so then I will have gaps at the top and bottom that are just black, and then my video in the middle. And I will show you in a second. This is how it looks like. Here's a screenshot. And then I want to get rid of those black marks by going to Effects, Video Effects, Blur, and then I search for Basic Blur, and I'm just going to press enter, and then I can drag again. I can drag this thumbnail down to my video bar and my editing bar, and then on the sides or at the top and bottom I will get nice colored effects and not a black block. This is what I use effects for, just briefly. And that is how I simply, in a few steps, edit my videos. I hope you found this useful. Thank you. See you in the next video.